Bah Predecessor Rumnong kyrtong belaju aireng teng na Pynthorumkhrah constituency na kaseng Nationalists Congress Party ryngkat Bah Phillby Lyngdoh Joint General Secretary ke BJP Mandal Pynthorumkhrah mynta sngi ke arpunyo tarik Kyllalyngkot Kyllalyngkot ban pyniasoh no ialade sya kaseng Congress Party ryngkat bat kisan phau tam nongbud jong. Kani ke jinglet pyniasoh jong kini ki arngut kalong ban ai jingkershan pura yo kyrtong kaseng Congress uba PNCM uban aireng persya yo ba ialade kyrtong ke BJP na katay constituency.
All of you, we are very glad today evening that we have Bah Phillby Rumnong, the former candidates of NCP Khasinews, who have joined with the Congress Party with the very intention to support during these elections. We also have our Bah Phillby Lyngdoh in Pynthorumkhrah, who have joined with our Congress Party with the very intention to support me during this election 2023. We have our sister who have been with the NSP during the time before. We have our brother Iasoh, and so many former members of NCP and BJP that have joined with the Congress Party from Pynthorumkhrah to support me, the Congress candidate, during this election 2023. I highly appreciate Bah Phillby Rumnong, others candidate, others politicians. They are in hurry to decide and contest election in Pynthorumkhrah. I think with the very single agenda, not to win the election but to lose in the election, for the benefit of any other candidates. But we are very happy to see Bah Phillby Rumnong join with the Congress Party with the very intention to see me win during this election. Former BJP members, former NCP member from Pynthorumkhrah will be a great impact for the Congress Party in Pynthorumkhrah to win during these elections. We have many issues to be addressed. Pynthorumkhrah has been 25 years under Bah as the MLAs. I will not say anything. I think people of Pynthorumkhrah will know better regarding the lack of development in Pynthorumkhrah. No playground, no single college, no food park, no water supply. Very, very difficult for our people. That's why people during this time, they are in one mind to come and support Congress. That's why Bah Phillby and others supporters, others members from the NCP and other members from the BJP, they are joining with the Congress. Thank you. If you have anything, they will come.
How many join?
As of now, it seems that many candidates, they come up like mushroom in Pynthorumkhrah. I don't know what is the intention, but I think people will know better because people are more smart than the candidates nowadays. So I have no problems. Bah you may have many alliances. I have many alliances. We can fight. Any fight, it is a very difficult. Even the Chief Minister also, he faces a very difficult battle with the other candidates. I think I will remind you, Dr. Didilapang, when he fight against Bah late Bah he lost as the Chief Minister. So, George, I think you understand that I have no problem to fight with anyone. But I should be sincere, I should be serious. I need the love and confidence of my people from all communities in the Pynthorumkhrah. It is not everything. Ya kata nggak problem. UMLA nong kendong uaniale MBC saupusni ujobna mau kar Pynthorumkhrah. Likewise, namdan problem ban jobna Pynthorumkhrah. Namda isu riumadan nangi ngali MDC jongga mau kar Pynthorumkhrah. Pada ngajob ya MDC election mau kar Pynthorumkhrah saupusni. Natrai license shiten menta. Standar diubok nur. Badingi pandiale election tam hapor atto kangesni. Kamtam ni election MLA. Ngannom bataitan kadon AA segalundin. Kadon ke game junuri. Kang bangat lagi pai kam start mati ban ya ke game junuri. Punjab election mynta ya kaya beli kat Pynthorumkhrah berkoi ini was in a very hurry decision. Anyway, you know kan tham chata. Tamba ta koi ngau bi. Ibu pun kita tiada bandram. Ibu ila Punjab ke tengah thai tang ar lain. Ngasai ti paham. As the neighbor, I had helped them. Now, under my consideration, they have the office for Dongkadiang. Not Dongkadiang only, Lungsiap. One of the block in Nomasong village, which is not under Pynthorumkhrah, but through the, not MDC scheme, department scheme of the district council, under the consideration of the CEM, we have already constructed. So I think I have a very close relation with the other villages also which are not under the Pynthorumkhrah. So I have no problem to win this election. At the same time, as Bah Phillby told, Pynthorumkhrah is a mixed communities constituency where we have different communities, more or less same like Ram. So I have no problem to work for my people in Pynthorumkhrah. In Ram also, I think you know, we have many other communities, friends from different communities. So I'm happy to be a candidate from the Pynthorumkhrah, where many communities are. I will. Tapi na siya, nandiyan po nang natry ba sa I had been long in politics. I had been as the Paul Raja for 10 years. I had been as the MLA for 10 years. I had been as the MDC for 2 times. I have been as the chairman, as leader of opposition in the state council, as MDC 3 times. I know the art of politics. As the MDC council, so I know the art of politics. I think you will see that both all communities, they will support me. And that will be proved only on the 2nd of March.
Why you do not choose Ram?
Once in fact, I already intended to shift to Pynthorumkhrah. But during my time, very difficult to hold the sentiment of my people. But after I lost Ram, I contest from Pynthorumkhrah. Then that is the first stepping stone for me to decide to contest from Pynthorumkhrah. Because now I am no more the MDC of Ram. I am the MDC of Pynthorumkhrah. Then it is very justified for me to contest for Pynthorumkhrah.